Good morning, students. After a long break, we are going to start a new lesson. What is our lesson name? A treat for mosquitoes. What is the treat for mosquitoes? Today we are going to see. See, blood test. Rajat is back at school today. He had been absent for many days. So Aarti is asking, how are you now? Yes, Rajat is replying, all right. He replied softly, I'm all right. So the next person, Jaskret, you must have played a lot while you were at home. Like that, he is asking because he took a long leave. So his friend is asking, you have been very much enjoyable. Like that, he is asking. So Rajat is replying, who wants to play when you have fever? On top of it, I had to take a bitter medicine also. I even had a blood test. Rajat is replying for that. During fever time, anyone will play, and in that situation I'm taking medicine also. It is very very bitter, and I had even went on a blood test. Like that, for the Jaskrit question he is explaining. So the Jaskrit is asking, blood test, why? It must have been very painful. No, I have heard about this. Like that, Jaskrit is replying, actually when the needle pricked my finger it felt like an ant bite. Rajat is explaining his feelings while taking the blood test. It is looking like an ant bite, and what they have done means, for 2 to 3 drops of blood they took and sent it for testing. That's how we came to know that I had malaria. Then Nancy is saying, but malaria happens when mosquito bites you only, no? Like that, she's asking. Raj, yes, that malaria happens because of the mosquito bite on me. Then there are a lot of mosquito in my house also these days, but I didn't get malaria. Like that, Josh is replying. Nancy says, who says that every mosquito bite causes malaria? Malaria spreads only by the disease carrying mosquitoes. Then, from this, we come to know that every mosquito does not cause the malaria, but which mosquito has the disease, that mosquito only spreads the disease to the persons. So Aarti is saying, then all the mosquitoes are same only, how we can find the disease causing mosquito? Rajat is replying, that must be difference between the mosquitoes itself, but we doesn't comes to know. Nancy is asking, they took the blood test from where the mosquito had bitten you. Rajat is replying, yes, of course not. Then how do I know when and where the mosquito bit me? Nancy is saying, but how could they find out that they have had malaria by your blood test? Do you think they could see something in the blood? What Nancy is saying, where the mosquito bitten, from that place itself they took the blood. Like that, she's asking the question to Rajat. Rajat is saying, not in a particular place they are taking. Then how they took the blood test and they found the malaria for you? Like that, she's questioning. This is just a blood sample test for Rajat. Fever with chillies and rigorous, that is the malaria they have found. But from early times, a dried and powdered bark of the chinchona tree only used as a medicine for malaria. But now it is a common thing, and we can cured by the medicine itself. Now Aarti is explaining about her anemia test. Rajat is saying about his malaria test, no? So his classmate Aarti is explaining about her anemia test. What she is saying means, I also had a blood test, but they took a syringe full of blood. The blood test showed that I had an anemia. What is that? Like that, Rajat is asking. Yes, the doctor said that there is a less hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is just nothing. Iron content is very less in our blood. So the doctor gave medicines to give me strength, and he also told me to eat the sugar, jaggery, amla, and more green leafy vegetables to increase my iron content. So the Nancy is saying, how can there be iron in our blood? Jaskrit replying, there was something about this in this newspaper yesterday. I saw it about this anemia and I heard many things about this like that. Jaskrit is replying and Rajat laughing. So then you ate iron or what? Like that he's laughing and teasing him. Aarti is saying, silly, this is not the iron used to make these keys. I don't know exactly what it was. After I had many vegetables and what the doctor said, which one I followed, my hemoglobin went up. Like that, she was explaining. This is Artie's blood report, and it has come in as an anemia. Her hemoglobin level is only 8. And after whatever the doctor prescription she followed, it was increased to 10.5. Okay. There is a poster of malaria just outside our class like that. Jaskrit is explaining. See, from these places only the mosquitoes will be spreading, so beware. Now Aarti is asking, where did you see them? Yes, I saw the mosquitoes in the old part that is lying behind our house. It was full of water for some days. When I looked there, I was some tiny thread like gray things swimming. See, look out here, like this only swimming. That is the starting stage of mosquitoes. So I was surprised and I told to my mummy. She said that that is the eggs which mosquitoes lay in water. They are called as larvae. I also heard something about this on the radio. What did you do? Nancy saying, Papa immediately threw away the water. He cleaned and dried the pot. Keep it upside down so that no water would collect. So you should follow this. You should not make water to collect in near to your places so that only the mosquitoes and all coming like that. She is saying, and we should keep our environment very, very clean. Sazia auntie told me that even flies spread diseases, especially stomach problems. But Rajat is saying, but flies don't bite, then how they do they spread disease like that? He is asking the question. Here they have given an activity you can do in your home also. You can divide your group into 2 to 3 group and you have to check around your school or in your around your home. It must be carefully noted that if water has collected anywhere and mark where it finds stagnant water. Stagnant water means water staying in the same place for more days. From that you can collect how many days it was collected and who is responsible for keeping this clean, and how many larvae are there. Is this any problem has caused in this area, like that you can collect the information and you can make a poster also. And in your group make a poster with a message. With the message you can make how means cooler tank drains and area clean, and put your poster in and around your school and you can keep it in your area also like this. And you have to make sure that who is responsible for keeping the area around your school clean, and write a letter from your class. Report your findings and suggestions. Find out to whom the letter should be written and to which office it should be sent. So, from this lesson, we come to know that if there is a pond or river around your house or school, we have to keep it very, very clean so that we cannot be affected by the mosquitoes or some other diseases. Okay, students, related to this lesson, you will get a Google Form test. Attend the test. All the best for everyone.